Hi guys! Pruning time! Now this time is the Clerodendrum. It's growing very much in the summer and going up, and in the winter time resting, and then in the spring it looks like, yeah, you can see yourself, it looks like it's half dead. So I always used to prune them in the spring and kick them in the asses so they can start to grow again, and that is what I shall do now. Let's continue here. Yeah, here we go. Glass of water. This is not Guinness, this is water. And it's not for me, it's for the plant, because always when I prune things, I always used to take cuttings, because it's always friends and who want the plants. So, and this is very easy to take cuttings from. So that glass of water is for those cuttings. See here how it looks like. This don't look so healthy, I have to say. See just here. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. I'll wait with this one. See here. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, and you have to have the cutting under the node, because it's there the roots will come. So we always look for that. See how it looks like that. It's look dead. Yeah. Nothing to do about that. There is one. There is one. Here we can take this away, I think. So, and put this in water. So it's just dry stuff. It looks like, but they start to suck and it will come. I shall take here. Here we have a fresh one. There is good over the node, because there it's gonna shoot the new shooting. Here I think, yeah, or there, yeah, there I think. There I take it. There I take it. There, and there I take it. Yeah. That's good. Here we have to take it under the node again. There, see, yeah. Fresh and nice. And here already come. That's a good runs there. There. It's a good cutting there. See here. There we have. And here. There we can have it, yeah. Down in the water. Can take it away, yeah. There. Yeah. There we can take it so and down. Put this down here, will come roots. So this is just between two nodes, so it's nothing to do about that. Here we can take that one over there, and here we have fresh things. Here's a long part of internode. So under the node and then over the node. You see the shooting there already. That's good. Here the roots will come. So you can rinse that. Poof. There where roots will come. So that was that and that was that. See here, then we can take away. Yes, and that's just nothing to do about that. Here we have, yeah, can cut it there. Yeah, here we can find some cuttings too. There is internode, so take away that under the node for the roots, and then over the node for the shooting. And here we have already a lovely plant, but I think this can be too much for it. We can cut there, so because these big leaves, it take away so much humidity from the stems, so it can dry out the plant. So it's better to rinse it so it can concentrate in the first place to get roots, because the roots sucks water for the plant, you know. And if the plant have this water, it never dry out in the same way. So there we go. See here. Yeah, that was all. Yeah, here it is. You see how it grows. It don't look so fun, but it's a lot of cuttings here we can use. And I have to say one important thing. I have a very good help of Lyn here, because she holds the camera.
Yeah. Hi guys.
And and if you don't have check her videos, you absolutely must go in and check what she doing. She's incredible.
Oh, thank you, my love.
Yeah, and you know it.
No.
Yeah, it's very good videos, and she come out with videos every day. So I haven't seen them all, because I don't have time to see all the videos all the time. But it's quality things, and it's very lovely plants she presents, even if it's our plants. So she made a very good presentation of them. Take away that leaf. Here we can go on again. So thank you, Lyn. Here we can cut there, under, boom, under, and then over. There, put in water for rooting, and in that way you can walk on, under, yeah, and then over. There we can take it up there and there over. Yeah. Let's see, how was it here now? Yeah. There it was. Yeah. So you have the, and there is that one. Yeah, it's a lot of cuttings here. Here we can always, it's winding up like this. It's wonderful. Long and winding stems. There we can cut. Here, up there, yeah. You see, shooting here. And there will the roots come. So down there again. See here. Here maybe. Yeah, we can take. There is one. There is one. So, and here is rest, bloom rests. So, but it doesn't matter. can use that. It will shoot leaves there anyhow. There under the node and then over the node where the shooting shall come. So all right, I think it's all for now because there's been so many cuttings, so you can't handle it. All right. You see the difference now? I think. Should I take this away here so you can see how it looks like? Yeah, it's a smaller plant, isn't it? I think it's going to be very nice here. There, yeah. So, from a big plant to a smaller plant, yeah. So, all right. Yeah, that was how to prune a Clerodendrum and taking cuttings. It's very easy, it's no problem. And Clerodendrum is very strong plant, so you can prune them really hard. As you see, I did. And always take cuttings of them. It's always someone who wants a plant. And they are very easy to get roots on. And they are very happy and positive plants and love the life. So it's very easy to get and grow. So thank you for watching and hope you like the pruning stuff. So see you in next video, and thank you so very much for watching. And thank you, Lyn, for fixing the camera and holding that hands-free. So thank you, and see you in next video.